Hello guys, this is Hyundai i30. This car has problem with the rear wiper. The rear wiper is not working anymore. I checked the fuses. The fuse is okay. Here is the fuses located to the driver's side, dash left. Front is working, but the rear is not working. Sometimes check these wire harnesses because it breaks from here. I already checked. The wiring harness was okay here, but I heard the relay noise here, the relay sound. Click, click, click. It means the relay is sending electric to the wiper motor, but the wiper motor is jammed and don't work. So what to do next? I just open. I want to change the wiper motor. So you need a 12mm socket. Remove the wiper arm and remove this one. So here we have 22mm nut. Guys, be careful to don't crack the glass. Just gently open, carefully open it to don't break the glass. So I removed the 22mm nut. So now I open the trunk and I remove the panel to have access to the wiper motor. So guys, I turn on the wiper motor, and here I have the thermo camera. The motors become very hot, very hot. So you can see in the thermo camera, it's about 60 degrees Celsius. It's become very hot. You see? So, guys, I unscrewed these two 10mm bolt and just gently remove it. Oh, it's very hot. So guys, to repair the wiper motor, sometimes this shaft take corrosions and stack. Just unbolt it from here, remove these screws, remove this, clean here, apply a little bit grease, and then put it back, and it will work. Here, this area take corrosion and rust, and it don't rotate. So guys, I cleaned this area and the shaft, and I applied a little bit grease inside and here. Just make it clean like this, then put it back. Align it like this, and put back the cover and control module. Just I want to test that before I screw. I keep it with my hand like this and put the connectors. So here is the connector. Yes, it worked. As you see, guys, it starts working. So guys, I screw it back. I put all this screw back. Good. So guys, I put it back. I repaired and put it back. This is very expensive parts, and the failure points, I showed you the failure points. Never go for change to buy new one. Buy the used one, because I bought the used one from eBay, and this one had the same problem and it was not working properly. And now after that small problem, you know, I fixed it and put it back. So with this method you will save a lot of money. You see? So guys, now it's working properly.